let's see. Oops, having a little trouble there. That's Andrew Poole, lead the race with Kendrick second. Alright, we got 1 minute down. It still looks like Andrew Poole. Well, Kendrick just passed Poole, tried to in the air. Oh, it looks like Poole crashes. Kendrick waited on it. Poole having some trouble. Alright, it is. Kendrick, your new leader. Jody Smith second. Andrew Poole running third. We come through the, I guess this would be a single double out. And then you got the diagonal double-double. Then the infield triple. So it's currently Kendrick, Jody, Andrew, Rod, Tanner, Will, Chuck, Gary, and Jeff. This is a main time right here, fellas. I want to thank all you guys that volunteered today, but we're not done by no means. This is race 6 of 13. We got to keep this baby rolling. Kendrick Cummins, still your leader. Wait a minute. Andrew Poole, your leader now, with Jody second, Kendrick third. Andrew comes through leading. Jody right there behind him in the yellow truck, and in the yellow and blue truck is Kendrick. That's 1, 2, and 3, guys. We're going to have a battle for 10 minutes. Through the triple. Oh, those guys were double singling. Oh, that was a hard leg. So it's Andrew Poole going over the big tabletop. Goes up onto the step up. This is your leader going down the back straightaway. Andrew coming up on the double. Crashes on the double. Oh, tough break for your leader. Holds on to second place while Jody Smith now takes the lead.
Make it 50.
1, 2, 3. Heading through the double-double. Oh, your second, third place truck has some trouble. That allows Jody Smith to have a little breathing room. 3 down, 7 to go.
Oh, no. I'm right here. When I looked at the sheet, it was based on, yeah, just a second. I thought it had, like, all the changes.
Alright, it's still looks like, let me see if I can get up on the racetrack. Andrew Poole is your leader. The yellow truck right behind him. Jody Smith, they hit into the triple. Back down into the small roller. Coming up on the double. Drops it down into the 180. That is your leader. Up over the tabletop. Andrew Poole. Jody Smith pounding that rear view mirror. 4 minutes down. 6 to go. Down the back straightaway, your leader. Up over the diagonal jump into the corner. Over the double. Across the finish line. 38.6 for Andrew that time by. He's trying to stretch out his lead. He's still got 5 minutes and 45 seconds to hang on to it. Jody Smith showing no lead. Jeffrey. They can't see that corner, brother. Thanks. Alright, it's still right now. It's Andrew Poole out front. We're going to pick him up on the racetrack. It looks like we got a race for the lead right now. Looks like Andrew hung on the pipes again. Now Kendrick caught Jody. Now Andrew's third. Nobody wants to hang on to it. Here comes Jody. Here comes Kendrick. And here comes Andrew. Oh, Andrew has another crash. We're just halfway, guys. 5 down, 5 to go. We got a lot of racing left. Jody Smith in the yellow truck out front. Heads into the low roller. Comes up on the double. Back over the big tabletop. That's their leader. So it's Jody, Kendrick, Andrew, Tanner, Rod, Chuck, Will, Gary, and Jeff. All right, it looks like Jody's trying to stretch it out. Looks like he's got about a 2-second lead over Kendrick. Andrew having some more trouble. Jody Smith making a double out of that triple right there in the infield. Kendrick tripled it in. That's going to pick him up some time. All right, we're 6 down, 4 to go. It's still Jody Smith, your leader. Kendrick. Uh-oh, Kendrick now has taken over the lead. Dropping Jody back to second. We have had the most lead changes I think I've ever seen in the main this year. Uh-oh, looks like Kendrick come off the track. Now Jody's going to take over the lead. So Kendrick dropped back to second.
What's going on?
Meanwhile, that's allowed Andrew to gain back up to time on him. We still got 3:30 to go. Anybody's race. Kendrick and Jody. Jody and Kendrick down the back straightaway. That's Jody, your leader. Comes up on the finish line double. Kendrick, though, right there in his rearview mirror. Three to go, guys. 7 down. 3 to go. We have got less than 2. Oh, it looks like Kendrick and your leaders get together. Ends up in a triple. They double single in. Kendrick now just trying to ride behind Jody, trying to make him make a mistake. Meanwhile, that's going to allow Andrew to gain up some time on him. Jody Smith, Kendrick Cummins. They go up over the platform. It looks like Jody takes back over the lead, dropping Kendrick back to second. Coming up on the lap traffic, comes down into the double at the finish line. Oh, it looks like, they split the scene. Nice job driving there, guys. That's also a good job for that guy letting them go by. That is for the lead right there. It's Kendrick the leader right now in the blue and yellow. The solid yellow, Jody Smith running second. Andrew Poole looks like he's about 8 seconds behind them. 8 down, 2 to go. 2 more minutes. Take a deep breath. Let's finish it out, guys. Oh, Kendrick takes a hard shot over that double. Up onto the platform, down the back straightaway. Jody looks to the inside, tries to pass it, pulls the trigger. Oh, Kendrick showing some muscle down that back straightaway. Up over the finish line double. It's still Kendrick. Jody right there behind him. Has a little bit of bobble. That allows Kendrick to hang on to the lead. All right, we're still back out on the racetrack. It looks like Kendrick's trying to hang on to the lead. Kendrick Cummins is your leader in the blue and yellow. Up over the platform, down the back straightaway. He comes down up onto the corner platform. To the right, up over the finish line double. That is your leader, down the front straightaway. He has gained a little bit of time on Jody Smith. Andrew Poole trying to gain Jody now. It looks like Andrew may have took over second spot away from Jody Smith. It is still, right now, we are 45 seconds to go. It's Kendrick, Andrew, and Jody. Kendrick out front, just trying to ride. Can he hang on to it? He's got 40 seconds to go. Meanwhile, Andrew Poole has hung over that number 2 spot. Jody Smith in the yellow truck having some trouble. He's in the number 3 spot. Dylan LaCroix, you're killing my lap counter, man, wherever you're standing. It's still Kendrick Cummins out front. Andrew Poole second. Jody Smith third. They're going to go, looks like, one more lap around. That's number 2, getting ready to head into the infield. That's number 3 in the yellow truck, heading into the infield. It's Kendrick out front. Andrew second. Jody third. Finish the lap your own, guys.
Looks like it's going good or something.
Will Foster, you're done. Kendrick Cummins, you're done. Chuck Kinsley, you're done. Will Foster, you're done. Jerry Albertson, you're done.